Welcome. If you're finding Facebook notifications from pages you follow overwhelming and want to regain control over your alert settings, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn off those notifications directly from the Facebook app on your PC, especially with the latest update. It's simpler than you might think, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, look to the top right corner. You'll see the notifications icon. It looks like a little bell. Click on that bell to open your notification panel. Inside the notification panel, you'll notice a small three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the panel. Click on these three dots to access more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all the notifications you receive on Facebook. Now, on the left side of the Settings page, find and click on Pages You Follow. This section shows all the notifications coming specifically from pages you're following. To stop these notifications, look for the option that says Allow Notifications on Facebook and toggle it off. Once you disable this setting, notifications from all the pages you follow will stop appearing on your Facebook app. This gives you a cleaner, less distracting experience, and lets you check updates on your own terms, not because Facebook pushes alerts constantly. And that's it. You've successfully turned off notifications from pages you follow on Facebook using the new update on your PC. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, simply follow the same steps and toggle the setting back on. Taking a few minutes to adjust these settings can really improve your day-to-day Facebook experience by cutting down on unnecessary interruptions. Thanks for watching.